Did get the rear done. She looks great. So far, everything's been great. Just finished the breaking in part. Let's take a look at the front here. You guys can see. Yeah. So I just finished the break-in part, and if those of you who don't know, what they recommend as far as breaking in new brake pads is to take it up to different speeds, like you go up to 30, and then you just lightly brake down to 5 miles an hour. You do that about 10 times, and then you go up a little faster, do the same thing, you go up a little faster. So I did all of that, and I can tell you it's been braking great, but you know, it's that placebo effect because these are brand new rotors, brand new brake pads compared to the stock Harley ones that I've had with 15,000 miles on it. But I can say it's been doing really good. I'm going to start riding more aggressively with it now, try to push the limits, you know, safely and as much as I can. But all in all, I think they look beautiful. They really set off the bike. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And then it's on to the next one. Oh, check this out. Little tail bag here I'm reviewing from Kemimoto. I actually like it a lot more than I thought I did, so be on the lookout for that one. But yeah, like I said, I'm loving what the bike is doing right now. We're just missing a few things to really set this thing off. Obviously, I want to do a cam in it, and I got some front end stuff that I'm trying to do. So be on the lookout for that. I appreciate you guys stopping to check out these videos. If you like them, please like and subscribe. It helps us out. Trying to do more and more. Stay safe out there, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.